Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover. Thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on the channel. Guys, today I will be specifically talking about Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin, guys. And if you're a holder of one of these three coins, you should definitely watch this video till the end, because it looks to be that we are trading at extreme dangerous territory, and that is the reason why I'm making this quick update video for you guys once again here. So without further ado, let's go right away into the video. If you haven't already, make sure to smash up the likes, make sure to smash up the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell notification. Guys, later today, I will be doing a live stream once again here, but first, I will be giving you this update through this video. So let's go right away in the chart. So previously we were seeing, of course, an ascending triangle unfold on the price section of Ethereum. We broke towards the downside, and then we were, of course, seeing these insane red digits previously. But right now, of course, we were forming once again a new ascending triangle. So you can see here horizontal support, horizontal resistance, and this is a clear resistance point here. So you can see currently with Ethereum, we are having 3 touch points on the top side, and of course as well, we are having multiple touch points on the lower side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course the fifth one is a breakdown here. So yes, we are having multiple touch points on this ascending triangle, and we are currently seeing a breakdown. And this can be quite shocking for the price action of Ethereum, and this can be maybe leading towards the red digits anytime soon here. And that's the reason why I'm trying to make this emergency update video for you guys. So it can be maybe giving us a price target around the 1871 US dollars. And of course, this will be quite shocking for the Ethereum holders. And that is the reason why I'm right away making this update video. Of course, guys, there are some multiple things here. We can still maybe shift up my opinion about it, because yes, I do feel, I want to be feeling bullish right now about it, but of course an ascending triangle is a continuation pattern, and we are still in a downtrend. And in order for me to flip bullish, I want to be seeing a recovery towards the upside, and of course a breakthrough of this horizontal level of the top side. So this horizontal level of the top side is really providing us a resistance currently, and I do want to be seeing the breakthrough here. And besides that, guys, I think it's very important to know what Bitcoin is currently doing here. And Bitcoin, of course, is also forming currently in symmetrical triangle. And this symmetrical triangle, of course, can be also pushing down the price for Bitcoin. And of course, if Bitcoin is going to push lower, it will be dragging Ethereum with it. But if Bitcoin still managed to break towards the upside from the symmetrical triangle, guys, it will be Ethereum that will be also following towards the upside. So should we be really looking at the Ethereum chart right now, or should we rather looking at Bitcoin, of course, and see which direction it is heading towards? So for Bitcoin, of course, guys, we are also still in a downtrend on the lower time frames. 1 hour, you can see clearly in a downtrend, and this symmetrical triangle is currently also getting created from a downtrend here. So this, of course, a reason to be, of course, extremely careful, but you can be also approaching this maybe in a different way here. You can be calling it the symmetrical triangle with a price target, of course, of approximately, let me see for you, of approximately what can be pushing it up to 52k towards the upside, or towards 30k towards the downside. But guys, we can also be approaching it a little bit different here. Like I told you before, we can be maybe also approaching a parallel channel towards the upside for Bitcoin. And of course, if we're just going to approach it as a parallel channel, you can see over here, we're just, of course, having a lot of consolidation going around here. And in this consolidation period, we can be looking for higher prices anytime soon here, because we're once again trading at the lower side of support, and we're bouncing between support and resistance the whole time here. So yes, I do feel very excited about it. Can't wait to see what we're going to do here. Hopefully we will be moving up a little bit here, but definitely in general, guys, you can be looking at these two main scenarios for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will be definitely the leading indicator in these days here, because yes, you can see here, once Bitcoin was dropping off 30% in the previous drop off, it was Ethereum that was following with even more percentage. And you can still see it on the 7-day. Ethereum is still bleeding harder than Ethereum currently, and that is the reason, of course, why we want to be looking at Bitcoin. And I mean, also, the scenario that I'm still highly anticipating currently is the W shape for Bitcoin. Okay, we were forming a W, and right now we're seeing a breakthrough. I mean, we were seeing some follow-through getting created towards the upside. Then we corrected, we retested the support band. Then we moved higher once again, and right now we are, of course, retesting the support band once again here. So this is, of course, pretty interesting, and it looks to be that we can be maybe forming an ascending triangle as well here on Bitcoin. We can be forming an ascending triangle, or we can have another retest here of the W shape here, what is also very valid currently. But in general, I just want to be extremely careful right now with Bitcoin because, yeah, it can definitely go each direction still here. And I mean, I do feel extremely bullish about Bitcoin in the longer term here, of course. But there is definitely no doubt that we can be maybe seeing another leg down getting created because, yes, guys, yeah, I mean, I do want to be saying we are over here. But of course, right now, once again, creating a continuation pattern. This continuation pattern tends to break out to do the direction where we are, of course, heading towards. And we're right now definitely heading towards the downside. So in order for me to stay bullish on Bitcoin, I want to see a breakout towards the upside, and of course Bitcoin is going to break out towards the upside. I will be definitely flipping extremely bullish on the different altcoins as well here because, yes, guys, I mean, the fact here that I feel still very excited about Ethereum. Yes, I feel very excited still about it, but the fact here is that I do think that Bitcoin will be taking some more strength out compared to Ethereum because, guys, you can see we set up this Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low here for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, and we are currently running into the golden pocket resistance line here. Of course, first we were trading above it, and of course finding support on it. And right now we are trying to breach through it once again here, but we are currently only getting corrections. And of course, this is pretty unfortunate to see here because I would like to see Ethereum, of course, smashing through the 0.382 here. Because if Ethereum can't smash through the golden pocket entry here compared to Bitcoin, we can be starting a downtrend right now. And of course, that is the reason why I'm trying to raise the awareness for all the important Ethereum holders, because, yeah, you don't want to be missing this out. And of course, it really once again depends on where the daily candle will close. If we're still going to close above the 0.382 here, we can be looking for higher prices for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. If we're not going to do it, we are looking for lower prices. So let's see what it will be doing here. But of course, the thought changed very quickly because yesterday, guys, we were looking at an inverse head and shoulders here on the Ethereum compared to US dollar chart. We were not seeing the price target getting reached yet here. We were seeing the volatility getting created, but yeah, price target standing around 3,200 US dollars. We are not reaching it yet here, but yeah, like I told you before, yeah, we are also looking to create maybe this ascending triangle right now on the price section of Ethereum. So this is already breaking down, of course, and this can be quite shocking. So in order for me to still stay bullish on it, I want to be seeing a fake out towards the upside. I want to be seeing a fake out. Should not be definitely shorting this, guys, because if you're going to short it, I think you're absolutely going to get wrecked, and I don't want that, of course. But if you guys want to be leverage trading, you can currently right now sign up with the Bybit link in the description. If you're doing so, you're getting a 2,610 US dollars deposit bonus. Would be amazing if you're doing so, because then you're of course joining the biggest leverage trading exchange here with the highest liquidity, and it's definitely worth to sign up with this 2,600 US dollars deposit bonus, the biggest deposit bonus ever in history of crypto. So yeah, very exciting what we're seeing with Ethereum. But like I told you before, I should definitely stick with Bitcoin if you want to be trading right now, because yeah, we are trading at very important times here, and we can still go either direction. And currently Bitcoin, of course, is bouncing a little bit towards the upside. We can be maybe seeing a breach through towards the resistance line towards the downside. Let's see if we can do so. It will be, of course, very amazing if we can see a breakthrough of this line on the top side. Guys, I will be flipping extremely bullish because, yeah, then my price targets will be definitely heading towards the 52k here. So this will be the main scenario that I will keep you guys up to date of today. I mean, guys, the maximum time of the breakout will be later today, around within 5 hours or so. So definitely will be streaming later today. And of course, if we're going to see a breakout, I will be right away hitting that live button. So guys, that's something that you can be already looking forward to. But in general, I also want to be talking a little bit about Cardano, because yes, for all the Cardano holders as well here, guys, we are currently also forming this symmetrical triangle on the price section of Cardano. And once again, guys, you can see currently the trend is towards the downside, and this is of course quite shocking for me. I definitely want to be extremely bullish on Cardano, but currently we are forming a continuation pattern here towards we created this pattern towards the downside, and currently unfolding a continuation pattern of a symmetrical triangle. The likelihood, the percentage chance of breaking down is higher than breaking towards the upside. Of course, we're only going to call a direction if we're going to see a breakout, but currently the chances of breaking lower are way higher. But yeah, you should be really anticipating it once seeing a breakout either direction. So yeah, I mean, do want to be seeing a breakout towards the upside. This can definitely be a very volatile move, guys. So make sure to keep your eyes on the channel and as well on the Cardano price, because yeah, this can be pushing up the price towards $2.64 here, or maybe towards $1 all the way down here once again. So that's of course very exciting. But I mean, I don't feel bearish on Cardano because the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation, I will be right away showing this to you guys. This looks extremely good here. Look at the wick getting created over here. We were just retesting the gray box here, and after that, right away creating the follow through. So Ethereum compared to Cardano definitely looks very strong here. And I think we are still going to create the follow through towards our price target, and the price target is still sitting and whopping. Let me get it in front of the screen for you. Another 50% towards the upside. So another 50% move here is imminent here, and I definitely think that we can be seeing some more volatility for the price section of Cardano. And of course, this will be also ending in more volatile compared to Ethereum, and I definitely think we will be reaching the price target. And I mean, this is also one of the most exciting charts here, guys. I see so many good charts here. So you can see in 2018, we were forming this top here in the bear market. We were forming a lower high top here. And of course, that top is currently providing us massive support. So this is, of course, an insane level of bullishness currently unfolding on the price section of Cardano. Holding up to this level, perfectly close there. We can definitely look for some more prices towards the upside for Cardano compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, Cardano is showing a lot of strength compared to Bitcoin. This looks very strong in my opinion, and I can't wait to see where it is heading towards. So if you're holding Cardano, I see, let's say, 2 bullish charts and 1 bearish chart currently. So the Ethereum and Bitcoin valuation is looking very strong here. Only the US dollar valuation is looking a little bit weaker because, yeah, we were forming this continuation pattern. So, guys, if this sounds interesting, of course, make sure to right away smash up the likes here if this helped you. Of course, we will be streaming later today to discuss these things here in the current market situation. Of course, in maybe 2 or 3 hours, that will be completely different. But that is the reason why you want to be hitting the bell notification so you're not missing out of anything here on the channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.